Hello class! Yes, I am teacher Seth. I am your mathematics teacher for this morning. Now, before we start our topic, let's have a recall first about the integers and how to add a proper integers. I know that you find this very easy because you had this in your past, specifically in your junior high school, right? So don't worry, we'll just have a run through pass on the rules for us to concretize your learning for this morning. Now, let's have a rule number 1 for integers. Rule number 1. For example, we have here 2 plus 9. Okay, in rule number 1 states that if the two positive integer, if the sum of the two positive integer is equals to a positive integer. Now, we have here a positive 2, which is a positive integer, and we added here to 9, which is also a positive integer. Therefore, the expected answer will be what? A negative? Yes? Yes, it's a positive because in rule number 1 state that the sum of two positive integer is equals to a positive integer. Therefore, the answer will be 11. Very good. Okay, another one. Rule number 2. Okay, what if in rule number 2, they have the same negative sign? Okay? Observe, negative 7 and negative 9. Okay, take note, in rule number 2 states that the sum of the negative integers will be a negative integers like a positive, okay? Okay, observe, since they have the same negative sign, what will be the answer? Okay, very good. The expected result or answer will be a negative because they have the same negative sign. So, negative 7 plus negative sign. Okay? Yes? No? How about the others? 17. Very good. Oh, wait. 16. Okay. And last, rule number 3. What if the one integer is negative and the other one is positive? What will be the answer? Okay, in rule number 3, take note. Students, take note. In rule number 3 states that if the two numbers are different signs, simply subtract the number and use the sign of a larger number. Okay? Again, in rule number 3 states that if the two integers are different, simply subtract the number and use the sign of a larger number. Okay? Okay, students, what is the larger number here? Yes, the larger number here is 5. And the smallest number here is? Negative 2. Okay. Now, if we subtract negative 2 plus 5, what will be the answer? Okay, very good. 3. What is the sign of the larger number? Positive. Therefore, our answer will be a positive. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to our topic. Can I have erase this? Okay. So let's proceed to our topic, which is how to add a function. How to add a function. This is our main topic for this morning. Now, in adding function, all you need to do is first, okay, let's have a steps in adding function, okay? So, to add function, first, you need to write a function notation. So now what is function notation? So this function notation will serve you as the formula of our equation. Now function notation is f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. Again, to read this, f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. Again, take note, if you add a function, all you need to do is first write the function notation, okay? Next, step 1, this is step 1, this is step 2. Step 2, we need to substitute the value. For example, we have here the value of f of x is equals to 2x plus 2, and the value of g of x here is equals to 3x plus 5. Then in step number 2 states that substitute the value after writing a function notation. Now, f plus g of x is equals to, what is the value of f of x? What is the value of f of x? Here in the whiteboard. Okay, the value of f of x is 2x plus 2. All we need to do is replace the f of x into 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Bring down the sign. Now what is the value of g of x?
3x plus 5.
Yes, 3x plus 5, very good. The value of g of x is 3x plus 5. Now in step 2, we substitute the value. Okay? Don't forget to write the parentheses for you to be organized on how to solve a function. Next, in step number 3, remove the parentheses. Okay, simply remove the parentheses. F plus g of x is equals to 2x plus 2 plus 3x plus 5. Okay, understand? Did you get it? Okay. Okay. Now, have you learned this? Have you learned in this morning?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, yes, Trisha, what have you learned?
Learn about function.
Yes. You learn about how to add a function. How about the others? What have you learned?
I want cha. My law.
Okay, thank you. Now, again, thank you for listening. I am Sir Seth Vicabero, your mathematics teacher for this morning. ขอบคุณครับ